Let's pretend that you purchased the site. You didn't have your headshots in place right away. You didn't have your logo, or maybe there was some information on the site that was missing. There is a settings section on the website located on the header menu right here, or when you click your headshot, you'll also find it on the drop down. The settings section is really, really cool because this allows you to change stuff on the fly. And when you save it, it'll automatically adjust on your site. So Mr. Chris entered in all of his information here. Let's pretend that he had a better headshot. So you'll go ahead and change the photo. You can upload your photo directly from your computer. It'll save in your media library as well. If you notice here, I changed the photo. It'll adjust in real time. So the images are very easy to adjust. The same with the logo as well. It's super simple. If Chris were to change where his brick and mortar shop was, or he was to change his phone number or his email address, you could do so here as well. The other great things as well, he did EAP green. Maybe down the line he ends up going with Remax or Coldwell Banker. He can change the color scheme on this site quickly and efficiently. The menu is another one that I'll go into really quickly in a second here, but I just wanted to show you when I save these changes and we go to his page, you notice all of the information has changed. Mr. Chris now has a headshot that was his. You could adjust your logo as well the same way. So it's really quick and easy to change any of that contact data that's on your site, or anytime you want to update or even move brokerages down the line, things like that. So it's kind of cool and easy for you. You're not waiting weeks for somebody to do it. You're not waiting hours for us to do it. You can do it quickly and efficiently.